Did you know most cross-stitch patterns don't actually tell you the real fabric size you need? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to calculate exactly how much fabric you need for any cross-stitch pattern. And if you'd like to learn a lot more about cross-stitch fabrics for beginners, I'll link that in the description below. Let's get started. So when you're ready to go shopping, either in the store or online, how does this fabric come? Well, it can come pre-packaged, different sizes. It can come either folded in a package or rolled up in a tube. Or there are some places where you can get it by the yard, and then you can have as big a piece as you want. So now you're probably wondering, well, what size do I need? Well, that'll go based on your design. So I put up an example here from one of my patterns, and this is a beginner pattern. And as you can see, it shows you the count of fabric on the left, the number of stitches, how big the pattern will be, and then I give you the sizes in centimeters and inches, and that's just the size of your actual design. So let's take the most common for beginner, which would be 14 count Aida. And we can see that in inches, our pattern is 3.8 by 3.9 inches. And so we'll round that up to 4 by 4. So we know our design is 4 by 4, but we want to leave some fabric around it for either, well, for putting it in the hoop, but also for finishing it. Do you want to make a little pillow? Do you want to put it in a frame? So we'll need some extra fabric around it for that reason. And the rule of thumb is 2 to 3 inches on each side of your design. Obviously, if you were going to make a huge pillow with a small design, you'd want more fabric around it than that. But this is on an average most common to leave 2 to 3 inches. So to figure out what size piece of fabric we need, then we'll take the size of our design, which is 4 by 4, plus 2 inches on top and 2 inches on bottom, which equals 8. Then we'll take 4 plus 2 inches on the left side and 2 inches on the right side, and that equals 8. So if we added 2 inches, it's 8 by 8, and if we added 3 inches, it would bump it up to 10 by 10. So that's the size of the fabric you want to get. Any other information I think you need, I'll add to the description box below. And if you'd like to see some cross-stitch patterns, come see us at C-Spot Create. I'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Do you have any questions? Or if you just want to say hi. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And if this video has helped you out or you appreciate it, hit the like button. And if you want to see more cross-stitch content, subscribe. And if you hit the notification bell, it'll let you know when I upload new videos. Thanks guys. Bye.